Cartman pulls the fire alarm /suspended /grounded.
Okay, children, today we are going to be learning about lab safety. Yes, Eric.
Mr. Garrison, I need to use the bathroom.
Okay, Erica, please hurry back. This lab safety lesson is very important.
I am going to pull the fire alarm.
Okay, children, this is a fire drill, so we are going to evacuate the building. Single file.
Attention all students and staff of South Park Elementary. There's no fire drill. Somebody pulled the fire alarm as a prank. It is announced to go into your classrooms. Thank you.
Okay, children, let's continue with our lab safety lesson.
Attention all students and staff of South Park Elementary. Eric, please report to my office immediately. Eric, please report to my office immediately. Thank you.
Oh, I think I'm in trouble.
Eric, I need you to look at the security footage, okay?
Okay, I pulled the fire alarm to skip Mr. Garrison's lab safety lesson.
Well, Eric, I'm very disappointed in you for pulling the fire alarm, okay? You should be ashamed of yourself. And I've already called in your mother, Roy.
Okay, what did Eric do this time?
He pulled the fire alarm when there was no fire. You will be suspended for 8 weeks for pulling the fire alarm. Then we will decide whether he should come back to South Park Elementary or go to a different school.
Eric Cartman, are you kidding me right now? You pulled the fire alarm when there was no fire.
Only because I didn't want to learn about lab safety.
Eric, that is no excuse to pull the fire alarm when there is no fire. Eric, I'm very mad at you for pulling the fire alarm at school when there was no fire. For that, you are grounded for 20 weeks. Go to your room right now.
Fine, whichever.